Top 5 Best Gimbal for GoPro Hero 9. Number 5. GoPro Karma Grip. The Karma Grip is fantastic, and I just got it last month. It feels wonderful. It looks fantastic. After spending a lot of time viewing Karma Grip reviews on YouTube, I was skeptical. Still, after purchasing it and updating my camera, I felt ready to let this device with lightsaber-like styling loose in my world of video production. I bought the grip for my GoPro Hero 9 camera and hiked in Lake Tahoe to test its stability. It did a great job, and I am happy with GoPro Karma Grip. I only used it for a 2-week vacation, but it worked perfectly. When taking sharp turns, it became confused with finding the horizon on a helicopter ride. Controlling the Karma Grip is a relatively straightforward piece of kit. GoPro specifically reduced the number of functions, so you could pick it up and start recording immediately. You can charge your GoPro and Karma Grip simultaneously while offloading your footage without unmounting your camera. The power or mode, shutter, tilt lock, and highlight buttons are among the 4. A spot in your recording will be highlighted when you press the highlight button, making it easy to locate afterward. The functions of the other buttons are primarily obvious. Why is it best? Because the Karma Grip is modular, the gimbal can be removed and mounted on other Karma products such as the Karma Drone. The built-in battery of the Karma Grip powers both the grip and your GoPro. The Karma Grip has less micro-turbulence when zooming in on the video. The Karma Grip's prowess was even more apparent when capturing faster-paced action. Conclusion: the GoPro Karma Grip actively isolates the Hero camera from vibrations caused by walking, running, or standing still by combining the 3-axis motorized gimbal stabilizer in the Karma Drone with a hand grip. Because of accessory compatibility, you can also stabilize vehicle or body-mounted shots. Clip in your camera, and you're good to go. Pros: brand GoPro. Color black. Compatible devices: cameras. Special feature: lightweight. Item dimensions 3.62 by 4.21 by 10.55 inches. On-the-fly camera control. Compatible with GoPro body mounts too. Built-in camera controls. Cons: bulky travel case. Coming in number 4. Hohem iSteady Pro 4. This Hohem iSteady Pro 4 gimbal has my satisfaction. I guess so far, so good. I purchased this gimbal to keep with my Scam SJ 4K action camera. I'm delighted to report that the camera mounts on this gimbal easily. Thus, the Hohem iSteady Pro 4 excels at smoothing out movement and jitters in video recordings. I took it on a family vacation and was pleasantly surprised by the smooth video I could record through the car's passenger side window, even on a bumpy road. Additionally, I can address the mounting and audio issues with the help of this Hohem iSteady Pro 4. IPX4 splash-proof, stable Pro 4 can withstand water droplets coming from any angle. It enables you to photograph outdoors without any restrictions and is a terrific buddy on a day when it is snowing or raining. A robust brushless motor, 3-axis motor, and improved iSteady 5.0 anti-shake algorithm provide an entirely new degree of smoothness even during vigorous movements. Shooting with a single click and a remote control, the Hohem iSteady Pro 4 can quickly switch modes by tapping the mode button, such as time-lapse, sports mode, or 600-degree 3D inception mode. This gimbal includes a GoPro Bluetooth control module that allows you to turn on off the video with a single click. Why is it best? iSteady Pro 4 by Hohem, DJI Osmo Action, Sony RX0, and other action cameras with size and weight ranges of up to 150 grams, 51 mm, and 30 mm are supported. Hohem Pro 4's GoPro camera control can operate the shutter button on GoPro Hero 10-98765 cameras. The power bank feature, which has a 3600 mAh battery with a 14-hour battery life, can nearly double the battery life of an action camera. It enables a faster and more dependable Bluetooth connection. Conclusion: a 3-axis handheld stabilizer and the iSteady 5.0 anti-shake technology are used to create super smooth footage. It features 600 of rotation, translation, and quick switching between modes. Furthermore, its new quick-release clip mounting design is easy to install with a spring buckle. Pros: brand Hohem. Compatible devices: camera. Item dimensions 15 by 5 by 2 inches. Roll a 320° tilt 320° angled roll design. Charging time, 3.5 hours. Battery type, 18650. Mechanical range, rolling, 320°, tilting, 320°. Steady 5.0 anti-shaking algorithm. Maximum weight 150 grams. A cons gimbal doesn't fold down as compact compared to some competing models. Coming in number 3. Feiyutech G63 Axis Handheld Gimbal. Along with the GoPro Hero 9, I purchased the Feiyutech G63 Axis Handheld Gimbal. After a week of testing, I discovered that both were compatible in smoothing my movies on my GoPro Hero 9. Initially, I put it to the test by filming a friend's birthday party. As a professional photographer, I could condense everything after working with it. I currently own a Feiyutech G63 Axis Handheld Gimbal. G63 Axis Handheld Gimbal with many features. You can buy with confidence if my experience guides you. Compatibility: the G6 is compatible with the AE, Sony RX0, E4K, the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, Hero 4, and other action cameras with comparable sizes. However, if you use this with action cameras other than the GoPro Hero 6 or 5 and Sony RX0, the app's functionality might not be fully functional. Time-lapse: you can randomly set the shooting nodes to produce unique trail time-lapse photographs. It also helps you to complete time-lapse or automatic shooting and manually set the start, finish, and rotation routes. Feiyutech G63 Axis Handheld Gimbal aluminum alloy construction provides a sturdy grip and splash-proof level. High-quality splash-proof technology means that the rain won't be able to stop you from your recording. Why is it best? The Feiyutech G6 is ideal for anyone traveling with an action camera. Its splash-proof design makes it suitable for people filming in inclement weather. Because of the long battery life and ability to charge your action camera from the gimbal, you won't have to charge as frequently. Conclusion: the G6 is Feiyutech's innovative and professional action camera gimbal. With its 3 axes and high-quality construction, this gimbal ensures steady and sophisticated results for all film and video footage and imagery. All leading brands, including the GoPro Hero series, are fully compatible with the G6. Pros: color black. Compatible devices: camera, cell phone. Brand: Feiyutech. Bluetooth with Wi-Fi. No block in visual pan angle 360° or titling angle 360° or rolling angle 320°. A 1/4 inch hole on the side and at the bottom. 4-way joystick for gimbal control. Dimensions: 271 by 119 by 38 mm. Cons: taking the GoPro off the bindings takes some time. Coming in number 2. MOZA Mini P 3-axis camera gimbal. This phone gimbal is incredible. I'm using it with the GoPro Hero 9, which has excellent video and photo capabilities, and the gimbal takes them to new levels. Because it allows me to walk through a crowd, a church, or a reception hall, this equipment is ideal for wedding videos. Also, viewers can see more of a 360° through a dance floor and other elements. I also like that it includes a tripod. I always have my videographer with me when I use the MOZA Mini P 3-axis camera gimbal. Improved camera control: MOZA Mini P 3-axis camera gimbal can connect to and control your camera thanks to the improved camera control system. Thus, to begin recording a video or adjust camera settings, use the controls built into the Mini handle. With the Mini P, you can capture smooth and stable video from your fingertips. Multiple effects: the MOZA Mini P is the perfect gimbal for traveling because it is a cross-platform stabilizer that works with various gadgets, including compact cameras, smartphones, light mirrorless, and action cameras. It is also the ideal gimbal for adventuring, filmmaking, or simply capturing everyday life. This MOZA Mini P can hold a GoPro Hero series and a Samyang, allowing you to film professional videos. Why is it best? The enhanced control system of the MOZA controls and connects your camera, which can use the controls built into the Mini handle Ps to start recording videos or adjust camera settings. It can produce smooth and steady footage and is compatible with many cameras. Conclusion: the enhanced control system of the MOZA controls and connects your camera, which can use the controls built into the Mini handle Ps to start recording videos or adjust camera settings. It can produce smooth and steady footage and is compatible with many cameras. The MOZA Mini P kit includes valuable accessories such as a tripod, a phone holder, an L bracket, and an instruction sticker. Pros: brand MOZA. Item dimensions 12.01 by 6.54 by 4.02 inches. Compatible devices: camera or phone. Maximum weight 2 kilograms, 2 pounds. Item weight 694 grams of battery capacity, 7.4 volt 2000 mAh. Battery life 20 hour. Camera or smartphone app: MOZA Genie or MOZA Master. Cons: spend some time getting the balance with your device correctly. Coming in number 1. Inky Falcon Professional Gimbal Stabilizer. I have no experience with a gimbal, and I had to learn skills like balancing the camera and taking videos with a gimbal that someone with experience would not have to think about. However, Inky Falcon Professional Gimbal Stabilizer allowed me to shoot video from a shallow angle, which is ideal for photographing babies and pets. This gimbal is perfect if you only need a rock-steady image and plan to continue adding music or vocal narration in post-production. Horizontal or vertical shooting: INKEE GoPro gimbal is simple to assemble and disassemble using the original screw, so you don't have to worry about the camera's size. The stabilizer can control the camera through a wireless connection with a camera, shooting wirelessly. INKEE Falcon Professional Gimbal Stabilizer's 3 axes help to stabilize the video, and the brushless motor responds quickly. Shoot whatever you want: 3-dimensional dreams, flashlight photography, and time-lapse photography with it. 3D Dream Mode: its pan adjustment on the gimbal is 360 degrees. This allows you to maintain a stable image while moving your camera and create cinematic camera moves. Additionally, its Auto Inception mode will let you rotate the image 360 degrees horizontally. Plus, its built-in large capacity battery, rechargeable via the included USB Type-C charging cable, long working time, and fast charging, never stop filming. Why is it best? INKEE Falcon Plus 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for action camera is widely compatible with existing action cameras on the market, including GoPro Hero 9 or 10 OSMO Action, Insta360, and other most action cameras of the same size. Also, it supports the media mode, allowing you to hold the mic and light for easy live filming easily. Conclusion: it facilitates unrestricted movement and flexible and convenient shooting. You can enter vertical shooting mode by double-clicking the M button, which is ideal for short video platforms on mobile phones. Pros: compatible devices. Camera. Item weight 618 grams. Item dimensions 8.66 by 5.91 by 1.97 inches. Maximum weight 200 grams. Motion time-lapse shooting. Built-in battery provides long runtime. Various working modes. 3-dimensional dream effect. Additional desktop tripod included. 360 degrees of horizontal rotation. Cons: USB-C port is exposed to elements. Soft carry case.